Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can upload images in Roblox. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to roblox.com and log in into your account. It's the official website of Roblox. And once you're over here on Roblox homepage, you need to click on where it says create. And remember, uploading image is only allowed from the website version of Roblox. So make sure you come into the website, alright? Click on create, it's going to take you over here. From over here, you want to click on dashboard and navigate toward the dashboard section. From over here, you can see this option called development items. Click on it. From over here, you can see the option called images. Click on images and scroll a bit down and you can see all the images you have uploaded until now. So in order to upload images in Roblox, you need to go on the decal section. And from the decal section, you're gonna upload image, alright? So click on where it says upload asset and from over here click on upload and choose the image you want. So I'm going to upload a random image over here and I'm going to name it picture. Name it, you can even write a description if you want to. If you don't want to, you can leave it empty as well. Click on upload and your image will be uploaded. Once you upload your image, if you want to view your image, you can go in the image section and the image which you have uploaded is going to be available over here. So that's how you guys can upload image in Roblox. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. How to guide. I'll see you guys next time.